Once you've logged into GoldPASS and have uploaded your resume, the next step is to complete your profile. To find your profile, click on the circle profile icon in the top right corner and then choose My Profile. There are a number of different sections on your profile. You have a brief overview, your journey, education, work and volunteer experience, extracurriculars and organizations, courses, projects, interests, and skills. When your profile is complete, GoldPASS will be able to suggest jobs and other opportunities that you may be interested in. The more complete your profile is, the more customized these suggestions will be. You can fill out your profile manually, or you can autofill it from your resume. To do it automatically, scroll down to Documents and select Manage Documents. Then choose the resume you would like to use to autofill your profile. From there, click Build Profile from Resume. The education section of your profile is particularly important to fill out. This section includes things like your education level, college, start and end date of your term, major and minor, and GPA, which you can hide from employers by checking these boxes. It's important to remember that the information in the education section does not automatically update. This is something you will need to do whenever the information changes, such as at the beginning of a new school year, when you declare your major, or at the end of a semester when your GPA changes. This section is also important for when you are looking at jobs in GoldPASS. Each job posting will have an employer preferences section. GoldPASS determines if you meet an employer's preferences based on the information you've provided in the education section of your profile. If you see something in the employer's preferences that doesn't match, but you think it should, go back and update the education section of your profile. In addition to having a complete profile, setting your career interests will also help GoldPASS customize suggestions for you. To set your career interests, click on the Edit button in the top right of this section. From here, you can update the status of your job hunt, select the type of job you're interested in, and you can also add specific cities, roles, and industries that you are most interested in. This information will help GoldPASS further personalize your job suggestions.